Hey guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial. Today's look is gonna be really simple. It's pretty much just a glam look with some fake blood. So let's get started. I've already applied my Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer all over my eyelids as a base. So now I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow C4 from the Norvina Volume 1 palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to be creating a purple smoky eye, so I'm starting off by applying this purple shade into my crease and outer corners as my transition color. Next I'm picking up D5, which is a matte black eyeshadow from the same palette, and I'm going to be placing this into the crease and outer corners as well, but I won't be blending it as high as I did with the purple. I'm keeping it a little bit more concentrated. Now I'm gonna go in and create the half cut crease. So I'm gonna use the same concealer as I did before to carve out my crease. And I'm using a flat cut crease brush from Nabla Cosmetics to get that really sharp line in my crease. And then once you have a nice sharp line, you wanna go ahead and apply the concealer onto the lid as well. I'm now going in with C3 from the palette, which is like a metallic rose color, and I'm going to be pressing this onto the lid on top of the concealer I just applied, and I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush to do so. Next I'm just going to go in with a little bit of that purple and black eyeshadow and blend in the outer corners to create a smoother transition between the colors. So now we're going to move on to the lower lash line, and I'm just lining my waterline with the Sigma Longwear eye pencil in Wicked, and then I'm going to smudge that out onto my lower lash line using a little bit of the black eyeshadow to help with the blending. To highlight my inner corners, I'm using A1 from the Norvina palette, and this is such a pretty lilac-y shade. Now I'm just going to create a thin line across my upper lash line using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner. I really wanted to add some glitter onto the eyelids, so here I'm applying the loose glitter from Anastasia in the shade Blazing Sunset, and I really like to apply this with the glitter adhesive also from Anastasia because it really stays on all day without falling down. Then I'm just going to apply some mascara and Russian blue lashes from Feline Lashes to complete the look. Now for my cheeks, I'm first going to apply the Peachy Love Blush Trio from Anastasia onto my cheeks. And then I'm going to highlight using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Trippin and the All Over Foil Luminizer in I'm Guilty from Marc Jacobs. I know I use this combo all the time, but it really is my favorite. Then for my lips, I'm first gonna line my lips using a dark purple lip liner, and then I'm gonna fill in my lips using the Marc Jacobs Le Marc lipstick in the shade Scandal. Now it's time for the blood, and this really is the easiest thing ever. I'm first just gonna apply it under my eyes as if I've been crying blood, and then I'm also gonna add it around one of my nostrils and smudge it out a little bit with my finger. And then lastly, I'm adding a little bit dripping from my mouth, and that is all for this simple glam Halloween look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this last Halloween look, and I hope you have a happy Halloween, and I will see you guys again very soon with a new video. Bye!